Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Xbox One games simply won't work. So the first thing we want to try is going up to settings and then go on down to where it says devices and connections. Go to the right and then go to Blu-ray. Now under here we want to go to persistent storage and we want to go ahead and clear the persistent storage. So if you're using a disk, sometimes the relating content won't work, so you have to come to this section and clear the storage. Now another thing that we want to try is deleting some games or applications, or maybe there's corrupted data on our Xbox One. So we want to go to System, then go on to Storage Devices, then we want to go to the internal storage. So I can see I have 91.4% of my Xbox One storage used. Sometimes you're going to be downloading a large update in the background and this simply won't be enough free space available. So let's go to this and select it. So let's go to View Content, and it's going to bring you to your library. Now you can see the games that you currently have installed right here. So you can just press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then you can go to Uninstall. So just make sure you have enough storage space under here. You can see it down here as well. Now other times you might have an update or something going on in the background, so we can go to Manage, and then we can go to Update right here, and we might have to manually update the game. It's not going to automatically update if we haven't used the game in 28 days. So come to the section, update the game, and then launch the game, see if that works. Then we can go to where it says free space right here in the upper right. And if we have any leftover add-ons, we can uninstall them right here. Or we can go to shrinkable games, and we can shrink the game to save a little bit more space. Then we have the download queue also. Maybe we're installing or downloading the game, and that's why it's not working. So just make sure you have nothing in your queue as well. Now the last thing we want to do is perform a hard reset. So hold down the Xbox button right here and then go to turn off. Now for this method, it's very easy. All you want to do is turn around your Xbox One and unplug the cables and the power cord from the back. And leave it unplugged for 2 to 3 minutes. Then go to the front and hold down the Xbox button for at least 20 seconds to drain any additional power. Then after those 2 or 3 minutes, simply plug in your Xbox, and this could possibly fix your issue as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.